Hey folks, it's Alex at Hankster's Hot Rods, and we're at the Homer City, Pennsylvania dealership with another gorgeous new arrival. This is our 1991 Camaro Z28, and it's finished in the factory original correct color, gloss red. I believe the factory color was called bright red. Nonetheless, the paint is in very good condition on this Camaro. We'll go ahead and do a walk around of the exterior along with show the interior. You can see the gaps front to back of that driver door are nice and even. All the side moldings line up very well. You can see the lower ground effects are all in good condition. And it does have dual sport mirrors on this one as well. We'll take a look at the interior. This one is a 3-speed automatic. It does have the 305 V8 from Chevrolet. All the interior is in excellent shape. All of the factory instrument gauges, dash is in excellent shape. You got your original climate controls and sort of era correct aftermarket radio. It's also got power windows, power locks, nice kind of two-tone cloth bucket seats. It's a very well preserved interior. Everything is in very good shape. Door jambs are nice and clean. It does have a nice set of louvers on the back. It's kind of like a satin black. These ones are plastic, and it lines up very well the whole way around. It sits flush. It's a very neat look. Also, the factory style spoiler, that's in great condition. Lines up very well. The taillight lenses in excellent shape. We'll go ahead and take a look inside the trunk here. I'll just take this off. Trunk is in excellent shape. As far as the interior, your jambs, all nice and clean, no rust bubbles or any signs of anything that's been altered with. It all appears to be original. Fully carpeted trunk. You do have a nice bag for the T-tops there. And a factory privacy cover as well. Everything is there and intact as far as your interior paneling. Even the underside there is present and in good condition. And you can see the automatic latch works as it should and pulls the trunk lid back nice and tight. Looking down the side, it's nice and straight. Factory wheels are in excellent shape, the 5-spoke aluminum ones. You can see the T-tops are also in good condition. Some minor scratches, but no cracks or chips. That goes for all of your glass. It's all in very good condition. Take a look at the interior from our passenger side. From the carpet to the headliner, the whole interior is in excellent shape. Door jambs are nice and clean on this side as well. Gaps front to back of the door, nice and even on this side also. All the panels on this vehicle line up very well. And up front you can see the factory fog lights in the lower grille there. That all steel hood lines up very well. It's got some factory style hood scoops on it. Windshield is in great shape as well. Go ahead and take a peek under the hood. And the underside of the hood, it's finished in that same red as the exterior. You do have the factory hood insulation present and it is mostly there. It is seen a bit of weathering in some areas, but overall it's nice and tight in most of it. As far as your engine bay itself, it's also finished in the bright red, just like the exterior. And for your powertrain, that is the 305 V8 from Chevy, and paired to it is that 3-speed automatic transmission. Now this does have all the factory options that were offered in 91, power brakes, power steering, and the factory AC. It's also got the tune port fuel injection that they used on the 305s in this era. And otherwise, that's all your factory standard equipment, and everything appears to be in very good condition. And that should about wrap things up for the exterior part of this vehicle. As always, if you're looking to make any changes or do any upgrades to this car or any of the other vehicles that we have on our website, just reach out to us and we'll get back to you with a quote on whatever it is you're looking to do. Also, the price that you see listed on the website for any of our cars, that does include our 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty on the powertrain and enclosed shipping to the lower 48 states. Now we'll get this Camaro back on our lift and take a look at the underside. Now we got the 91 Camaro up on our lift. We'll do an overview of the underside. Starting up front with your suspension, that's going to be all your factory standard equipment on this car. This thing is all original, so once again, all your factory stuff. You do have the stamped steel control arms, a nice set of shocks on there. As far as the cross member, that's solid and straight. It does have a nice thick sway bar in the front, and that'll help with all the body roll through the turns. And as far as the brake system on this, it does have power brakes, disc in the front, drum in the rear, also power steering. And for the powertrain, that's going to be the 305 V8 from Chevy, and paired to it is an automatic, a 3-speed automatic transmission. As I look at our engine and trans at this time, there's no signs of any leaks or drips. As these classic cars go, there's always a chance of those things popping up. The exhaust, that's once again all of your original factory equipment, full factory exhaust on this car. Looking at the condition of the structure, the frame rails leading into the center of the vehicle, those are both straight and solid. Floor pans all appear to be original. I see no evidence of any patches. Pinch welds and rocker panels are straight. Nobody's bashed them in. They're all nice and straight as they would have been from the factory. No rust to speak of either. If anything, just minor surface rust here or there, but nothing concerning. As you can see, all the original stamped steel floors, and there's no undercoating whatsoever on this underside, so it's easy to see the raw condition of this 91 Camaro. As for the rear end on our Camaro, that's a typical Chevy 10-bolt. It does have a 276 gear ratio, and it is a POSI unit. As for all the rear suspension, once again, all your factory standard equipment, and it all appears to be in great condition. It does have a nice sway bar in the rear as well to help with that body roll throughout the turns. And as I look at the frame and the floors coming into the rear seat and into the trunk area, that all appears to be in excellent shape. Frame rails are straight and solid. The floor in the rear seat area and the trunk area all looks to be untouched, original, and no rust anywhere that I can see. A very good condition vehicle from top to bottom. You can see that factory style exhaust with the crossover muffler and your factory slant cut tips there, and the rear bumper area, all your supports there, all straight as well. Like I said, just this is the worst of the rust you'll find on this vehicle, just some minor surface rust, nothing that is really embedded in yet, nothing that can't be taken care of quite easily. Overall, the underside of this Chevy Camaro is in excellent shape. We'll go ahead and lower it down and fire up that 305.